POV. This is your first day at the University of Central Missouri. One glance across campus and you feel it. That sense of connection tells you you're exactly where you're supposed to be. Deep breath in and go time. Our campus life is a vibe. This may be the Midwest, but UCM is home to people from all over the globe. People who share your passions, classmates who will open your world by sharing theirs, and professors who get to know you. Why?
Because it matters.
To be seen authentically, to be understood, to be part of something, to have someone in your corner who cares about you and your goals and finds opportunities to help you make them happen. Maybe someone in your life told you college isn't for you. Maybe you even believe them. Big deal. That's not going to stop you. UCM's supportive community will challenge you to think deeper, encourage you to go further, and prepare you to accomplish more. Because you're not working toward a future for just anyone. You're creating the kind of life you want, bringing a fresh perspective, finding innovative ways to make big changes. You are redefining what's possible.